can't. This shit crazy.
Ayo, Parrish, this shit high, boy.
Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we heading for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I'm a stun. Oh, living lively, everybody try.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dukes, man. Alright, so as y'all know, last video I got the car working. As y'all can see, my shit a little dirty. I'll take this bitch to get washed. Y'all gotta stop cursing so much on these videos. I'm tired of bleeping all my words. Y'all see I tried to fix the headlights a little bit with that WD-40, but it got it clean enough to where it ain't like, it ain't as bad as it was. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after, if I can find like the old clips. Try to went to look at first. We finna go get this thing washed. I give me some white spray paint so I can fix that until I get the whole concrete painted. I'm gonna keep it white for a little bit though. Y'all see how dirty it is though. Look at the window. Look like I pulled it out of a lake. This car been sitting for like 5 months, man. 5 months. My baby riding that, man. My little baby. Hey, this crazy because I got a dog that's the same color as my car. And that was my other baby. This is my stepper right here. This right here be stepping, you know. This be stepping right here. This the one that be getting me from A, B, C, D to Z. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to actually start renting this out on Turo, y'all. So I'm gonna be doing videos on that. Renting my car out on Turo and probably get around. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna look into it. I already got the get around thing set up though. I just mean like as far as time wise, like how I'm gonna have it on both apps. But we finna take this one for a car wash. I should wash both of them, but I ain't gonna have time to wash them. I can wash them tomorrow. I'm gonna wash this one today. We gone, man. Come on. All right, y'all. So we in this baby, man. We in my baby, man. I'm going to a car wash that's kind of like a it's like a self-cleaning wash. So like I do it myself, I guess you can say. On my seat, as far as here. See them lights coming on, man. We gonna fix all that. It's rolling though. The windows, the windows don't work. My little baby just needs some TLC, man. Some tender love and caring, bruh. Ooh, them brakes getting beat up. Hold on, let me dry y'all. I'm gonna see how I can get to the car wash. Alright, man, so the car wash. Oh my god. Hold on, y'all. Let me fix this. Alright, man, so the car wash thing kinda dead. I'm gonna tell y'all why later, but it's dead. They got too much going on up there right now, so I'm gonna just wash it myself. I'm gonna hit it with like some water right quick and throw it like I'm gonna go take it to the real wash tomorrow, but we're all gonna go to is over with, huh? I'm gonna do something a little ghetto. I ain't got nothing to clean my collar. I'm gonna hit with this right quick. Watch this. Y'all, this nigga just put dishwasher lip on the car for sure. Doing this, man. Alright, man, I did the best of my ability with just some Dawn dishwash liquid. We got that motherfucker looking a little bit more spiffier now. You can see through this motherfucker. Oh, that's some damn sure. I'll go back behind that. I'll take and get a real car wash. Probably like Saturday, tomorrow. Probably Saturday. Do it still look green, y'all? Or is it like reflecting off the floor, y'all think? I think it still look green a little bit, but we're gonna take it to get cleaned tomorrow. Hold on, see how I get inside. Smiles ain't bad. I just think realistically to the price. You think about the customer too much. Bro, the customer is the business. No customers means no business. What do you mean?
Cheese on the side of my jacket.